Today we talk about how can you get premium on your YesStyle app. We'll go to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways and it's going to work with you. All you have to do in the first, you just go down, click here on account down here. So then it's going to take you to this list. You click here on membership, just click on it. In there it's going to show for you like this. In there can you choose here membership you want to get, regular here or bronze. So then you just click here on elite, click details here. So when you just choose here any of this premium here, if you want to add gold, so then here automatically here it's going to add with you on your YesStyle app. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.